Today, we will talk about number theory. In number theory, basically what we study properties, basically. Properties of numbers. Now, there are various type of numbers, natural numbers. These are also called counting numbers. And as we know, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that, so on. These are all counting numbers. We can count these. And these are basically natural numbers. Whole numbers. Whole numbers are nothing but natural numbers, including 0. And so on. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Now, if we add negative numbers, then they will become integers. That is -4, -3, -2, -1, then 0, then 1, then 2, 3, 4, like that. These are called integers. What about rational numbers? Rational numbers are basically fractions. They are of the form of P by Q, where P and Q, they are integers. And most important point, that is Q should not be 0. Otherwise, will not yield any result. Now, fractions are basically two types. One, terminating type. Another one is repeating. Let us see the examples of these two. Terminating type means suppose you have 3 by 6, 3 by 5. What it will give? 0.6. This is terminating here. Decimal, after decimal it is terminating here. But repeating types, suppose you have this fraction, then what it will give? 3.333, like that. It will keep on. It is repeating, 3 is repeating after decimal. So these are all rational numbers. Irrational numbers are basically non-fraction. These are fractions which are non-repeating. Like value of pi 3.14. Like that, it after decimal, you will find so many numbers non-repeating type. So this is basically to give you idea about natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers, and what is real numbers. Real numbers are basically comprising all these. This is real numbers. Got it?